Hi guys, today we are going to Vikarabad Deccan Trails resort. It's a jungle night camping resort, so I'll show you what all we did. So we reached the campsite around 8:30 in the night. By 5 p.m. you can come if you're planning for a night stay. So this is around 63 kilometers away from the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and if you're coming from Secunderabad railway station, it is around 72 to 73 kilometers away. So we decided to start a little late because of the office timings and all. So finally we reached, and as you can see the location is quite safe. They have all the fencing and everything around it. So we parked our vehicles inside, and now we are going to the office to check out the price rates and the details and everything. And while our friends are doing that, I'll be showing you around like how it looks like. So this is the campfire that they are setting up for us. So we spent some time having fun, listening to music, and then we had our dinner. So dinner is basically veg meals. If you want to eat non-veg, you can give a order, and they will make it on the basis of order. So this food and everything is covered in your fee. So next day morning we got the tea, and let me show you the cottages where we stayed. So these are the tents. These are quite secured and very sturdy actually, and they are situated a little higher from the ground level, so it is pretty safe. And yep, all of the guys are up. So we paid around 2000 rupees per head. So in 2000 rupees they give you all the food and everything is covered, like tea, snacks and everything. And now we are going for a morning trekking. I wouldn't call it a actual trekking because it was a very small hill. So while everybody is coming, we will be just walking around to have a look at the property. So it rained a lot the previous night, so it is looking really fresh. So there are many places where you can sit and have a decent talk with your friends. I'm not sure if there are snakes or not because we did not encounter any, but since it is a jungle area there might be. So this is one porch, you can say, which is facing the jungle. It looks really nice. We can just stand here and admire the nature. So while we were waiting for everybody to come, we stayed here and had another cup of tea. So this is the simple trekking. This is not trekking at all, to be very frank. We cannot call it trekking at all because it's a very small hill. We are just roaming around here and there. We did not see any wildlife. Um, they were telling that we might see some deers or peacocks, but we saw none. But yeah, the location was quite nice. It was very green, and it was very soothing for the eyes, so we had fun. And this is the only hill that we climbed. It was very small. And we reached the hilltop, and we decided to stay here for some time, maybe around 10-15 minutes. Then we climbed down, and then we went back to our campsite to freshen up, and then followed by breakfast. now we are going for the breakfast. Morning tea, breakfast, and evening snacks, lunch, dinner, everything is covered in the package, so you don't have to worry about carrying your own food. And the food was also quite good. The taste wise, it was really good. And we had another round of tea and followed by some physical activities. There are two types of packages here. You can do night stay as we did, or you can come in the morning time, spend the day here, and then leave by the night. So, in the morning, we could see many families and college students came to have some fun. So, these are the two options that you have. The one which we chose was a night stay with campfire and everything, and we paid 2000 rupees per head. I don't know what is the current price rate, but this was a couple of months ago. Now let me show you inside the tent how it looks like. As you can see, the walls are made up of fabric, thick fabric. It rained entire night, but we really couldn't feel anything. It was quite thick, but the fan was very noisy. But otherwise, it is good. And there are lots of windows made up of fabric, of course. And let me show you the washroom. The washroom is also quite big. It's manageable. You don't get hot water as such, but remaining everything will be there, and it's quite comfortable and neat. And that's it, guys. We had our lunch and now we are going back home. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.